Hello, in this video let us look at a microcanonical ensemble after a canonical ensemble. And in this video we are going to look at how to reach a thermodynamical relations using a microcanonical ensemble. As we know, a microcanonical ensemble consists of large number of identical systems and which are not interacting within themselves, and whole a microcanonical ensemble, it is also not interacting with the outer surrounding, and therefore it is represented by double lined walls. The systems of a microcanonical ensemble, they are shown by two lined walls. And in a gamma space, the ensemble, that is a microcanonical ensemble, is represented by a very thin layered ellipsoid, and mathematically it is represented by d of E minus C into delta of EI minus EI prime, or one can write it as a EI minus EJ, and delta is a Dirac delta function, and this Dirac delta function, that is d of EI minus EI prime if I consider, and this is equal to 0 if EI is not equal to EI prime, and this equal to 1 if EI is equal to EI prime. And here in a gamma space we have represented by simple ellipse. Actually ellipse is in a two-dimensional phase space. It is a ellipsoid, egg-shaped structure in a three-dimensional space. Just imagine it in a n-dimensional, 3n-dimensional gamma space. Gamma space is a 3n, no, it's a 6n-dimensional space, in a 6n-dimensional space. And for understanding, here I have shown a little bit thicker line with the ellipsoid. It is very thin, and this function, it indicates that if any system any system of a microcanonical ensemble is such that for instantaneously, for a very small time at least, its energy changes for a very small amount also, it goes out of that microcanonical ensemble. That's why this Dirac delta function is used, and here C is a normalizing factor. This is how we represent one pictorially and graphically a microcanonical ensemble. And these microcanonical ensemble systems are not interacting with themselves. Hence, developing any concept is not so easy, and we have to go here in an indirect way. The common procedure followed here is to show that ln W and entropy of a system S both are proportional to each other, where W is a probability. And for that we start with the canonical ensemble. As we know, a canonical ensemble, it consists of large number of systems with different energies. And canonical ensemble, it consists of large number of systems of energy E1, E2, E3, and all these energies are distributed overall in the system. E2, here we have a system with the E2. So we developed a concept for a canonical ensemble. In a canonical ensemble, n1 number of systems are of energy E1, n2 number of systems of energy E2, and so on. Now in this canonical ensemble, if I collect all the systems of energy E1, that is n1 number of systems with energy E1, if we collect them and put them in a thermal isolation, then they will form a one microcanonical ensemble. Similarly, if I consider all the systems in this canonical ensemble of energy E2, these will form a collectively one microcanonical ensemble. Similarly, I can imagine large number of microcanonical ensembles in a canonical ensemble. Hence, every microcanonical ensemble is of this canonical ensemble is thought to be a degenerated form of a canonical ensemble. We can imagine that canonical ensemble is a collection of large number of microcanonical ensembles maintained at a temperature T and having a volume V. And as already we know, the number of particles in every system of a microcanonical ensembles are same. Even in a canonical ensemble also, all the microsystems, they contain a same number of particles. And we consider a one microcanonical ensemble of this canonical ensemble having a energy EI. That is, in the whole canonical ensemble, let us consider systems with the energy EI. Let us consider systems with the energy EI. There are a omega number of such a systems, and all those omega number of systems will form a one microcanonical ensemble, and it is a degenerated form of a canonical ensemble. Since it is a part of a canonical ensemble, we can apply a concepts of canonical ensemble. Therefore, we use a canonical ensemble concepts to this microcanonical ensemble. And if we calculate the probability that microcanonical ensemble exists in a energy state EI, that is written by this equation 2. Wi is equal to 1 upon q into exponential of minus EI by kT. Because all omega number of systems of microcanonical ensemble are at a energy EI. And here q is a partition function and k is a Boltzmann's constant. And now the summation of omega I is equal to 1. Then the probability of existence of each system in a degenerated microcanonical ensemble is omega I is equal to Wi is equal to 1 upon omega, because here we consist of large number of systems in a microcanonical ensemble. The energy of each such system is EI only. Now, out of all these omega number of system, what is the existence of this one system? There is a one system which comes on a numerator and omega in the denominator. Out of this omega number of systems, what is the probability that this system with the energy EI exists? That is 1 upon omega, and it is same for all the systems. Therefore, we write W1 is equal to 1 upon omega, W2 is equal to 1 upon omega, W3 is equal to 1 upon omega, so on. That is the probability of existence of every system. And from a canonical ensemble, we know that S is equal to minus K into summation of Wi into ln Wi, and I runs from 1 to omega because there are omega number of systems. And now substituting Wi from equation 5, we get this expression, that is entropy is equal to K into ln omega, forming a equation 6. In a microcanonical ensemble, now we can use the concepts of canonical ensemble also, because it's a part of canonical ensemble. And thermodynamic relations we know, dE is equal to T into ds minus P into dV, where T is a constant temperature and P is a pressure of a system. And hence dou S by dou E into T is equal to 1 plus P into dou V by dou E. And at a constant volume, dou V by dou T is equal to 0, because volume of all microsystems in a microcanonical ensemble, it is constant, that is not varying. Even energy varies, then also volume is not varying. Therefore dou V by dou E is equal to 0. Therefore we have a dou S by dou E at a constant volume is equal to 1 upon T. And similarly, all systems of microcanonical ensemble, they are at a constant energy. Therefore dou S by dou V is equal to P by T. That is, there dou E by dou V at a constant energy is going to vanish. Therefore we have this expression. And expressions 6, 7, 8 and 9, these are used to calculate properties of a microcanonical ensemble. And this expression, equation 6, it is very, very important. You should remember that S is equal to K into ln omega, where omega is a number of systems in a microcanonical ensemble. This is all about a microcanonical ensemble.